What's up, everybody? I was just fooling around with one of my radio control cars. Not sure if you can see that guy right there. Ordered some parts because I kind of wrecked them last time I had them out. And as I was ordering the parts, I hear ding dong at the door. I go out there. I got a package. As you can see, it's from Amazon. And open it up. This should be my Glock parts, but those parts are like this big. So I wonder if they combine my two orders. So it's this giant box. Oh, love this stuff. Got a flag. The Gads is flag. Finally got one. I'll open that up later. Got a trigger pull tester. First one I've ever had. I went kind of cheap. Most reviews I read up on it said that it worked good enough. What's this? Oh, this is the 3.5 pound trigger connector and the corresponding springs to go with it for my Glock 19. Okay, right there. So I'll have to put those in later. Oh, I forgot I got that extended mag release, or slide release for it as well. Warning, to be installed by a professional gunsmith. Professional. What? I don't like titles. Got a CD for my daughter. Kids Bop. Yeah, it was on sale for like $4.99, and I needed $5 more on my order to get my free Super Saver shipping. So it was either that or spend $6 on shipping. So, alright, so that's what I got so far today. I was totally hoping I ordered some new posters for the man cave, but they obviously didn't come in yet. So I'm going to get the stuff opened up. Probably get to installing those Glock parts. Yeah, good times.